Had this coconut in the fridge for a while now. Right?
Yes, it's been about a week.
A week?
Yeah.
So now I need to chop it open.
Yes, because you need coconut jelly, and I'm going to provide you coconut jelly. What do I need? A machete?
Mission coconut jelly. All right. The tools of the trade.
Easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me show y'all how to do this, just in case you didn't know. In Jamaica, this is how we do it in Jamaica. Basically, we go. Okay.
Take your time. Wait, this is actually working better than I thought it would. This is good. Ooh. Not bad. That knife is super sharp. Careful, it's.
All right, we're gonna shortcut
yeah.
this. We're gonna shortcut this, okay?
Yeah. Careful. Oh shit. This is getting real, ladies and gentlemen. Be very careful right now.
Coconut jelly,
Coconut
water in
Cameraman.
Jamaica with a bread knife and a chef's knife.
Cameraman down.
Cameraman down. Someone send help. But look, there's no debris. There's no bullshit in there. All right, part 2, come back. We're gonna drink this. We're gonna get the coconut jelly. This is it. This is all you get for now.